Alright. We're live. What is on it? That keeps the pressure on, that keeps the Islanders back in their own zone, back on their heels. Austin Matthews out. 19 and a half minutes for him tonight, so back into that more familiar time on ice. As it deflects over the glass and out. You know, really important to just manage your top stars ice time. It's a long season, and you know that Matthews is typically, and Marner are going to get them 20 to 22 minutes a night. But when you have the games that the Leafs have had, 3 of their last 4 wins. People start to roll in soon. We're going to get our break going in about 4 minutes here. We'll probably start around 10:05. Give people time to get into the break. Gonna wait a couple minutes here, let people get into the live, and we'll get the break going around 10:05. If anybody's in from eBay, let me know what team you got, and yeah. Oh my God. Gonna wait a couple more minutes, about 2 more minutes, and then we're gonna get the break going. Let people get in from eBay. If anybody is in here from eBay, let me know rather your eBay name or what team you got. Because I know there's one guy that got a lot of teams, so. Jamal, thank you for the follow. Alright, we're gonna wait 1 more minute here, and then we're gonna get the break going. If anyone who's in the live can let me know if my audio is working well. It's a little bit different than what we normally have around my normal microphone, so. All right, we're going to get the break going here.
get it open. There we go. There we go. Just gonna rip open the seal here. There are 24 packs in the box, and I believe there's 8 cards in each pack, so managed to pick these up from the Toronto Sports Card Expo on the weekend. Just some new product not new product, but I haven't ripped any of this, so new to me. All right, we're going to get going right away here, and I want to wish good luck to everyone who bought in. All right, we have a Nick Bostad, Connor Sheary, Braden Holtby. We have a Reflections Jordan Binnington going to the St. Louis Blues, Troy Stetcher, Travis Konechny, Teddy Bulocher, and Ryan Dzingel to end that pack off. Second pack. Chris Kreider, Brendan Saad, Tyler Toffoli, Ultimate Victory John Gibson going to the Anaheim Ducks, Dylan Sprong, Eric Stahl, Trevor Lewis, and a Mark Jankowski to end that pack off. Third pack here. Alexander Wenberg, Mark Stahl, Jack Eichel. We have a Ryan Sutter, Anthony Duclair, Nicholas Roy, and a Mark Giordano and a Craig Smith to end that pack off. Fourth pack here. Andre Vasilevsky. We have a checklist, Patrick Kane and Pierre-Luc Dubois. So that one, it will be a randomizer, I believe. Or wait, it's Columbus and Winnipeg. We're going to keep going here. Nate Schmidt, Kasperi Kapanen, a Drew Doughty, Michael McLeod, Paul Stastny, and a Carl Soderberg to end that pack off. Did I say Patrick Kane? Oh, jeez. I meant Line. I messed up. I got the Leaf game on in the background. I was trying to figure out what was going on. And I saw Patrick. That's my mistake. Ben Hutton, Derek Brassard, Jimmy Vesey. We have our first young gun, Hayden Verbeek, going to the Montreal Canadiens. Matthew Wenberg, Josh Brown, Scott Mayfield, and a Max Domi to end that pack off. Next pack here. Connor McDavid, Torrey Krug, Daniel Campbell, another Young Guns, Patrick Kodenko, going to the New York Rangers. Vladislav, I'm not going to try the last name, Owen Tippett, Jordan Curio, and a Derek Craigla to end that pack off. Anyone who's new to the breaks, I'm not very good at pronouncing names, so I apologize for botching them like I do all the time. Some I can get, some I can't, like a lot of the newer, smaller names. Patrick Laine, Elias Pettersson, Slater Coex, Ryan Strome, Jake Allen, Nico Hischier, Andres Athanasiou, and a Nolan Patrick to end that pack off. Next pack. Kraglin just saved the Leafs. Or Sholgren, sorry. Thomas Hertl, Derek Stefan, Andre Johansson, Trevor Van Riemsdyk. We have a Ovation Oliver Ekman-Larsson going to the Arizona Coyotes. Victor Hedman, and a Justin Dowling, and a Patrick Kane to end that pack off. Oh, Derek. See you just joined. How are you doing tonight? Tyler Bertuzzi, Jonathan Huberdeau, Cody Ceci, Juuso Valmarkki, Anthony Duclair, Shea Weber, Tyler Mote, and a Cal Peterson to end that pack off. No worries, Derek. No worries at all. We haven't been breaking in. This is our first break in. Yeah, it's been a couple weeks. But now, just got back from the expo. Got a lot of product from there. Got a lot more product coming soon. So, we have another break for Wednesday. And then, possibly, I think we might do on Sunday. So, Leon Draisaitl, James Reimer, Ian Cole. We have a Alexander Romanov Ultimate Victory going to the Montreal Canadiens. Tyler Seguin, Jay Beagle, Cedric Paquette, and a Matt Nito to end that pack off. Next pack here. Corey Schneider, Ole Manta, Kyle Turris, Alexander Texter. We have a Dazzlers Pierre-Luc Dubois going to the Winnipeg Jets. Ville Husso and a Thomas Sears. Thomas Sears and a Jumbo Joe Thornton to end that pack off. Any big hits for the Kings or Lightning yet? No, not yet, Derek. And my Leafs just blew the game in overtime. Gotta love it. All right, we got a Matt Murray, Joanne Larson, Michael Raffle, Alex Pietrangelo, another Dazzlers, Miro Heiskanen going to the Dallas Stars, Nikita Zarzarov, a checklist Connor McDavid and Leon Draisaitl going to the Oilers, and a Nito Niederreiter to end that pack off. I think we're about halfway through. Joachim Nordstrom, Anze Kopitar, Eric Senrek, a Young Guns Alex Diro going to the Pittsburgh Penguins, Freddie Anderson, Zdeno Chara, Quinn Hughes, and a Zach Bogosian to end that pack off. That was our third Young Guns, I believe, of the night. Let's hope to get at least 3 more. Matthew Joseph, Ryan Nito, Taro Heroes, another Young Guns here. Cody Curran going to the Anaheim Ducks. Derek Grant, Christopher Tanev, Brady Tkachuk, and a Thomas Nosek to end that pack off. Both times we pulled Young Guns, they were back-to-back in the same row, so... Matt Martin, Eric Holla, Bobby Ryan, Mark Braucheski, a Jonathan Huberdeau, Connor Hellebuck, Kevin Shattenkirk, and a Noah Dobson to end that pack off. Wayne Simmons, Maxime Comtois, Derek Forbort, Andrew Cogliano, a Ty Delandria, David Riddick, Barclay Goodrow, and a Nicholas Abdul-Kabel to end that pack off. Next pack here. I think we got 8 left. Radko Gudras, Cal Clutterbuck, Joey Decord. We have an Austin Matthews Ultimate Victory going to the Buds. Janae, I'm not going to try his last name, Mitch Marner, Devin Dubnyk, Ryan McDonough to end that pack off. Next pack. Mark Scheifele, Kiefer Sherwood, Michael Dezzuto, Dmitry Kulkov, Brendan Sutter, Jack Roslovic, Jacob Markstrom, and a Jesper Fast to end that pack off. I believe that was our first base pack. Some of them were like base, but the one card was a variant of a base. I don't know what they were called, but Elias Anderson, Michael Skabosha, Jack Studnicka, Matthew Tkachuk. We have an Ilya Sorokin holographic going to the New York Islanders. Chris Letang, Carter Verhaeghe, and a Jacob Sullivan to end that pack off. Last 5 packs here. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, last 5 packs here. Nick Riddick, Josh Levo, Alex Petrangelo, Braden Holtby. We have a holographic NHL 63 Brad, or that's his number. Sorry. NHL Brad Marchand going to the Bruins. Max Pacioretty, Taylor Hall, and a Connor Timmins to end that pack off. Oh, yeah. Related to, I forgot about that. They're cousins. Where's Timmins now? No. Like, actual Timmins. Eric Stahl. John Carlson. William Carrier. We have a Young Guns, Alexi Hempani. Going, I don't know how to say that. Going to the Florida Panthers. Nick Cousins. Colton Scoover. Jack Johnson. And a Tristan Jarry to end that pack off. I'm interested now. Let's see if there's a Young Guns in this pack right beside it. Because we've got back-to-back Young Guns from the same rows. All the other Young Guns we've hit, so. Be interesting to see if that happens here. Jordan Binnington. Cody Aitken. Alex Galchenyuk. Yeah. And Austin Strand Young Guns going to the LA Kings. There you go, Derek. You got yourself a Young Gun. Jacob Markstrom, Justin Schultz, and Matisse Giamark, and a Nick Camino to end that pack off. All right, last 2 packs here. I'm going to take them out of the box. Put the box to the side. Lucas Wilmark, Zach Whitecloud, Tanner Kiro, Ryan Murray, a rookie class Kiefer Bellows going to the New York Islanders. It's a nice card. Chris Wanger, Dominic Kahn, and a Eric Gubrafson to end that pack off. All right, before I open this last pack, I want to say thank you to everyone who bought into the break. We currently have a break on eBay. We have 2 of these Upper Deck Series 2 blasters and 2 of these Artifacts blasters. So those are on the eBay store right now. The break will be for Wednesday night, and we might be posting another break. We will be posting another break for, I believe, Sunday night. Do you know what product we're doing?
Yeah, the 2022.
I shouldn't have started opening this yet.
Yeah, what was it?
Okay, we'll open it and then we'll show it. Good luck to everyone, and thank you to everyone who bought into the break.
And make sure.
Oh, yes, I forgot to say it at the start because there wasn't really anybody in. But anybody who bought into the break from eBay will get a free pull from our pull box. All right, Braden Colburn, Josh Anderson, Andrew Shaw, Cam Talbot, a rookie class Connor Ingram going to the Nashville Predators, Jesse Puljujarvi, Casey Kinskas, and a Pierre-Luc Dubois to end the break off. All right. What product was it? Those 2?
Yeah,
we're going to be doing a break for these two MVP blasters. These are 2022-23. We managed to pick these up at the expo. We're only doing 2 blasters because there's 15 packs in each box. So that's more than what we just ripped, the 2 blasters. So you'll be getting 30 packs. There's 6 cards in each pack. So if you want to get your hands on some brand new product, we got those MVP. We'll be doing those breaks. And yeah, we'll have that posted tomorrow night. And then the break will be for Sunday night. Yeah, I don't have a game, right? Okay. All right. Anybody who bought into the break, let me know your eBay name and pick a number between 1 and 50. Just put your eBay name in the chat and then give me a number between 1 and 50. Then we can give you a free pull and it'll get shipped with you. Or shipped with your cards.
Just make sure you tell everybody that they have to be in the live to get the free pull.
Dart player 72, 16. That's Derek.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make sure you tell everybody you have to be in the live to get your free pull.
I think they can hear you.
You have to tell them.
Okay.
I said.
You have to be in the live to get your free pull. By the way, if you buy in with us in the future, so if you're not in the live, you can't get a free pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 is a Henrik Samuelsson rookie premier jersey card going to you, Derek. Congratulations. It's for Derek. Is anybody else from eBay in the break right now? If anyone is, just let me know your eBay name and pick a number between 1 and 50. Yeah. What's his name? Scotty. Just said 35. I'm just shuffling this up here, Scotty. 1 minute.
Add 1 card.
Let's go this right there. All right. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35 is a Lucas Lesio on-card auto rookie card going to you, Scott. So there you go. Anyone else in here from eBay? Send me your eBay name and a number between 1 and 50, and we can give you a free pull. No, thank you, Scott. You keep coming back, and we really appreciate it. By the way, I'm not sure if you saw, but we have artifacts on our eBay store right now for a break on Wednesday. Yeah.
Coming up on Sportsnet Central. England in their World Cup opening match. We break it all down.
Give it a little longer. If anybody else in here is from eBay, I think it might only be Scott and Derek left, but thank you to both of you for continuing to come back. Awesome. I love to hear that, Scott. Yeah, but thank you to both of you guys. You guys keep coming back, and you're really both our first consistent buyers, and we really appreciate that. It's nice to see that you guys are enjoying the breaks and stuff, so. No, it's just Derek and Scott. Want to call him that?
Yeah.
All right, we are going to head out for the night. I want to thank you, everyone who bought in to the break for another great night of breaking. We will be back on Wednesday for our other break, and then tomorrow we will be posting our break for Sunday night. So thanks, guys, and have a great night.